Hi guys, good morning. So, andito ako ngayon sa kusina guys. Nag-experiment ako ng aking pagkain guys kasi gusto ko ng sopas kasi malamig ngayon. So, experiment to guys kasi ang gagamitin kong gatas niya ay ano guys, hindi siya yun yung usual na ginagamit natin sa Pinas. So, ang gagamitin kong evap milk ay yung tunay na guys, yung natural na gatas na pinakuluan, 'di ba? Evaporated milk. So, yun lang yung gagamitin ko, guys. So, ito siya. Ayan. Ito yung gatas na baka, cow milk, at saka yun yung niluluto ko, guys. So, ito yung gagamitin ko, guys. So, etong cow milk yung gagamitin ko guys, pinakuluan ko na siya. So, evap na siya, 'di ba? Evaporated milk. So, ito try ko dito sa sopas. Tingnan ko kung magkalasa sila guys. So, experiment lang to kasi walang evaporated milk dito sa Romania guys. So, gagamitin ko yung gatas nila. Nag-search naman ako kung paano gumawa ng evaporated milk. Yung yung may yung milk nila na na nabibili doon sa sa market, yung mga may concentrated ba tawag doon, mga ganon. Yun, ipapakuluan mo lang din yun. So, titignan ko kung anong pinagkaiba dito sa natural na gatas guys, na galing pa sa baka. Fresh na fresh yan guys, pinakuluan lang namin. So, yun lang. Meron na ako ditong repolyo lang yung ilalagay ko. So, yun lang guys. Update ko kayo kung ano na ang nangyari. Ano ang mangyayari pala? Ano nang nangyari? Anong magiging lasa niya? So guys, ayan na siya. Nilagyan ko na ng gatas guys. So, hindi ko alam kung ano na guys. Anuhin natin kung anong lasa niya guys. Kung same ba? Wait lang. Pero feeling ko parang same lang sila ng lasa kasi palas na gatas. Evaporated naman milk to eh. Evaporated. Yes guys. Malapit na sa katotohanan. So, maglagay pa ako ng isa pang sandok. Para ma-milky. Ayun, naglagay na ako ng isang sandok guys. Isa pang sandok na gatas. So, ano siya? One more kulo-kulo. Pasensya na kung medyo maingay kasi naka-open yung nila. Ano ba? Ito exhausting fan? Tawag ba? Exhaust fan? So guys, lang to, ang nilagay ko lang yung asin tsaka paminta kasi walang mga pang-magic dito guys, o mga pang eme-emeng So asin lang. So kasi guys, dito sa Romania, hindi ko alam kung ano yung mga condiments nila na parang sa atin. So kaya yung na lang, asin at tsaka asin at asin lang. Tikman natin ulit. Masarap siya guys. Masarap siya. Parang mas masarap ito. Itong guys, para sa akin mas masarap itong natural na gatas pag ito yung nilagay. So, tara na, kain na tayo. So, ito na siya guys. Kain na tayo. Nangangamoy yung bawang niya guys. Ang bango. Kain tayo guys. Ang sarap guys. Hindi ako naglagay ng margarine. Ano lang siya. Mantika ng manok yung pinanggisa ko sa bawang guys. Bawang. Walang sibuyas. It's giving. Ang sarap guys. Sopas na sopas. Kaya ganito yung kulay guys, oh. Puting-puti. Walang kasi hindi ko nilagyan ng carrot saka Margarine talaga. Kain tayo. Try nyo na rin. Kain ulit tayo. Ano to guys, yung cake ng aking mother-in-law since birthday niya kahapon. Ginawa ng ng bunika namin. Kain tayo guys. Ano to siya? Sweet. Kain guys. Butter. Butter ata yun nilagay. Margarine. Hindi ko alam. Kain. Hi, good evening guys. Say good evening.
Good evening. Hello.
Yes, so today is Friday guys, November 15.
Friday.
Naglalakad kami papunta dun sa SAA na bagong bukas.
Yung wanda.
Ngayon yung niya guys. Lunch?
Lunch?
Launch.
Launching.
Launch day. At ngayon yung opening niya guys. Yes. Ngayon yung opening niya, so maglalakad
They open
kami
today,
papunta
yeah.
doon.
I saw some pictures. They look nice. There's a supermarket right
Really?
now. They made. It's a bit.
Ayun yung yung... Ay,
Boy, you have to cut this one.
da.
I know.
Ayun guys, may aso.
Yes, that.
Da.
There's some fun in here.
Lakad-lakad kami oh. Malamig ngayon guys.
It is.
Kinontsaba ko na siya kanina about sa sopas na dapat niyang tikman lang. Eh gusto ko yung sopas guys. Nasarapan ako dun sa sopas na ginawa ko guys na yung evaporated milk na ginamit ko ay yung yung milk ng baka, no?
Cow. No?
Yes, it's all natural, organic.
Yes, natural,
Yeah.
of course.
I use organic the chicken
Barbecue
that
here.
from Mama.
Hey, they have a barbecue shop here.
The chicken that I use is our leftover.
No.
Yes. And no preservatives.
No.
No. The milk is organic fresh from the cow.
No.
Yes. So, masarap siya guys. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, pag ayaw niya, lang muna, taste test. Pag ayaw niya, bigay niya sa akin kasi gusto ko siya. No? Da. Just taste.
I'll
And
try.
if you don't like it, give it to me and I will eat them all. Da.
I'll try, love. I'll try.
Da. Ito na kami guys. So, ayun yung yun ba? Ayun yung SAA guys.
Looks, you see, that looks like a supermarket. I mean,
I think. This one is supermarket.
Dada.
Andito na kami guys. Let's see if they have
Okay.
You have to see if they have
Lots of cheese. Wow, lots of cheese. They have the plant-based. Look,
where.
this is protein.
Is this
There are sweets here.
Da?
Dada. Pudding. They have lasagna. Look. They have lasagna here.
Da?
Some
Ito mahilig sa lasagna.
Chicken and rice. To put all this in the oven. Burger.
Where?
Fish fingers. Oh, they have here. Look.
Probably. It's the same price.
Much nicer organized.
Look at ito. Hey, this is big.
Da.
Wow. Parang jumbo to guys. Malaki to. Kaya pala mahal. Guys, ito yung nabili namin Mura siya. 5.99.
Wow, such a price.
What the lady said, why, but
Da, if
she's,
you buy the different one, much different.
because this one, kasi guys, ito manipis na siya. Unlike nung bagong dating ako dito, makapal. Pero ngayon, manipis na. Too thin, no?
Da,
The quality become more,
This is two layers.
Yes.
That one, other one is three layers.
Oh, that's why.
2 layers. This is the 2 layers, but the discount.
Kasi guys, ito lang yung ano guys, pinaka-cheap. Dati, cheap naman siya, pero makapal. Ngayon, ano na, same price, pero yung quality niya nag-iba. No? Tapos yun know, hawak niya yung bili namin.
We are
Kain
done.
tayo. Walking in the rain.
Bro,
Che,
you like it? How you walk?
yes.
And it's
We're going
nearby.
home na.
It's nearby to us anyway.
It is malapit lang guys. But it's also the same over there.
After we go there straight, bam, and we cross the the other side. No,
The best thing is we walk.
da.
We have we can exercise.
Da.
Yes. Ano lang yung binili namin guys? Cola talaga yung pinuntahan namin. Wala namang bago?
Hey, Ro, you have.
Akala ko may bago ba? Ano lang yung mga cosmetics. Yun yung cosmetics tsaka mga perfume. Ha?
Oh, that one.
Da?
Small. Okay.
Tapos, nakabili ako ng
maybe that-
Vaseline na petroleum jelly.
Maybe that you bought that one.
Da. Para sa paa kasi ano na guys, nag-crack. Ano na, nag-crack na yung mga paa ko dahil sa lamig.
Da.
Yes, so yun lang guys. We're going home na. Ciao!
Even when the air runs out, even when the water's gone, even when the sky goes black, I'll still be holding on. I'll still be holding on, my dear. Even when the world ends, I'll be right here. I'll wipe away your angel tears. Have no fear, have no fear. 'Cause you and I were gonna make it through whatever trouble comes our way. Yeah, you and I were never breaking. Gonna live to love another day. Forever and always, ever and always. We're gonna live to love another day. Forever and always, ever and always. We're gonna live to love another day. Yeah. After all the traffic stops, after it's been boarded up, things are